What's up guys, Tan here, back with the third episode of the Jeep build, and in today's video we're going to be installing these Xprite LED taillights. So let's get them out of the box. So we got them out of the box. They're like this really tough plastic, they're smoked out, so they should look a whole lot better than the ones that are on there. So let's get to the install. Okay, so to remove your stock taillight, you're going to want to remove the two inside screws right there. The two outside are just for show. So we do that on both headlights and just pull them out. So while you're doing this, you want to take advantage of having your taillight off and just wipe some of the dirt that's around this edge, because you probably won't have it off ever again unless you replace them again. So okay, so since these are LED taillights, they come with a resistor, or I'm not really sure what this is. If one of y'all watching knows what this is, comment down below. But I know it basically slows down the light, because if not, this would be blinking way too fast. Okay, so to mount the resistor or whatever this is to the Jeep, they give these little plates, and basically they line up with the holes like that. And you take a nut and a bolt and put it through each one. So let's go ahead and do that. So to get these little clips to work, I had to take some those pliers and just pinch them down a little bit to get them to close tighter. Okay, so getting it on was a little difficult, but basically you're going to want to install that thing and just clip it to the little inside panel that goes along there. This is going to be the most satisfying part of the whole video. So when you screw this thing back in, you do have to use the original screws from your stock headlights, so do not throw those away. So that is the final product. I'm gonna hurry up and throw on the second one because it's getting kind of dark out here, so let's go. So before I install the second one, I want to get like a before and after. So the right one's the one we just installed and the left one's stock. So it's getting kind of dark, but we got both the taillights on, and now I'm gonna start it up and show y'all what they look like. So this has been my install of the Xprite LED taillights, and if y'all enjoyed the video, go down and leave a like, go down, subscribe, and leave a comment. And if you like the videos, I'm gonna keep them coming. So see y'all later.